Welcome back. While lambda functions are limited to a single expression, we can still perform simple conditional logic inside them using the ternary operator or the conditional expression. This allows us to check if a number is even or odd and return a corresponding string, all in one line. 1. The ternary operator syntax. This operator is Python's way of writing an if-else statement as a single expression, which is what a lambda function requires. The structure is the value to return if the condition is true, followed by the if keyword, the condition itself, the else keyword, and finally, the value to return if the condition is false. 2. Defining the even or odd lambda. We define check_parity. It takes one argument, number. The expression uses the ternary operator. If number modulus 2 equals 0, it returns even. Otherwise, it returns odd. This entire logic fits neatly into the single lambda expression. 3. Testing the lambda. When we call check_parity with 4, the condition is true and it returns even. When we call it with 7, the condition is false and it returns odd. This demonstrates how to pack conditional logic into the lambda's single expression limit. To summarize, when you need a lambda to return one of two values based on a simple test, you may use the ternary operator for the job. It maintains the lambda's conciseness while providing necessary logic. Okay, our next lecture 13.04. Lambda, sum of two numbers. See you there.